In engineering economics, cash flow concept, it is cash flow is the path of monetary values. Cost investment, that is input, that it may be deposit amount in the bank, we get the interest, or it is investment in the project, it is the input values, input, the monetary value, it is input. Okay. And next, getting the benefits, that is output. Benefit means it is maybe interest, or it is a return amount from the invested project. Okay. So the cost is, it is invested in the project, we can estimate in terms of costs. Next, time value of money. There are number of reasons behind why 1,000 rupee today is worth more than 1,000 rupee 1 year after from today. The cost of value, so it is uh, today, if I can purchase some of the items today for 1,000 rupees, may not available after 1 year, because the value of time of money is changes. If the example 1,000 rupees I can purchase today, after 10 years for 1,000 rupees the same item or product not be available. The reasons are inflation. Okay, the first reason is inflation continuously increases in the general price level of goods services in an economy over the period of time. So any product, there is continuous increases the price value, and services also. Hence, so hence there is the value of money will be increases. Next, risk. In financial term, as the risk, as the chance that an outcome from actual investment may be less, or it may be more, or it may be something different. It is investment, that is always we have to accept the risks. Risk maybe includes the possibility of losing all original investment also. And next, cost of money, the C point, third point for the value of time. So cost of money, so it is determined by simple or compound interest rate. So it is the cost of the money uh, we have to determine by using simple and compound interest. And next, simple interest, so you read it, these are the things. Okay, it is very simple formula. Future amount is equal to P1 plus IN. Read it, and there is one of the problem. Next, effective interest we discuss. The effective interest, the nominal interest rate compounded annually, but in practice the compounding may occur uh, occur year, compounding occur uh, in a year. It is monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, daily. The interest may be compounding occurs monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, daily, etc. So but what about the effective interest then? Effective interest we have to consider always for the year. So there is a formula, E effective is equal to 1 plus R by N, M raised to M minus 1. So M is the number of interest periods in a year, and R is the annual interest rate. So here it is, I can measure. So we discuss one of the problem. Determine the effective interest rate for a nominal interest, annual interest rate of 8%. What is that is compounded? Then we have to find daily, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually effective interest. Annual interest rate 8%. If it is annually interest rate 8%, but here it is, but my interest period will be quarterly. My interest period is quarterly, this is my quarterly. So in a quarter, how many quarterly means how many months? So it is uh, for 3 month. Okay, for three it is for a 3 month, 1 quarter. So here it is the number of interest period, how much, when it is considering the third case, that is a quarter. So m is equal to number of the interest periods 4. So then the interest for 3 month, how much it is, that is R by M. R is the effective interest. It is annual interest, that is 0.08, and number of interest it is quarterly. How many number of interest periods for a year? It is 4. That is nominal interest divided by number of it is interest periods 4. So put into this equation, you get it a effective interest. So effective interest and nominal interest, what is the difference? So for a year, the quarterly means it is a 3 month, or it is a 1/4 year. We receive the interest. If I deposited, example, if I deposited a amount of uh, 1 lakh rupees in the bank. Okay, so I want uh, quarterly interest. So for 1 lakh, the quarter interest, so there is interest rate will be 8%. Quarterly means how much interest I have to receive, 4 by it is 8% by 4. That means it is 0.08 divided by 4. I have to receive only for quarterly, I will get interest 0.02 only, 0.02 only, that much interest I have to I will receive that for every quarter. Second quarter 0.04, third quarter, so first quarter 0.02. That amount it is deposited into the principal amount 1 lakh plus interest rate of 3 month added together. So something 1 lakh it is around that is 200, and next it is next same amount, yeah, 2000 rupees, that is 1 lakh plus 2000, 1 lakh 2000. Next 1 lakh 2000 plus in the next 3 month, after second 3 month. So once again the interest is added, the principal amount is 1 lakh 2000. Next for the second it is interest period after 6 month, that will be once again it is added, means it is 1 lakh 2000 plus once again it is 1 lakh once again the interest, once again it is interest is 0.04 divided by 4. The interest rate is 0.02. So but principal amount is something different. Earlier principal amount is 1 lakh, but later the second it is interest period, the principal amount is 1 lakh 2000. So hence it is increases. So hence it is effective interest will be so it is increases because of it is if it is a quarterly, if we done, so we get. If it is a daily, so effective interest rate will be very high. Nominal interest will be 8%, but if it is a interest period, if it is a daily, then the effective interest for the year 8.327, for monthly 8.29, for it is annually semi-annually 8.16 semi-annually. If it is annually, once again it is same thing, it is same, it is 8% only. Semi-annually 8.16, annually 8%, next quarterly 8.24%, but daily it is very high one. So next is the compound interest. So compound interest, in practice interest is compounded using compound interest method. For a loan of any interest earned at the end of year but not paid, then interest is added to the principal amount, and that is the principal amount for the next year. So here it is one of the example I have given, very good. The interest rate is 10%. The principal amount is this loan is given to the person is 10,000 rupees, and next for after 1 year, so that 10,000 rupees earned in interest is 1,000. If you not paid, then for the next year, end of first year, if you not paid, so principal amount will be 10,000 plus 1,000, it is 11,000. For the second year, principal amount will be second year 11,000. So once again at the end of so it is second year, once again the principal amount is 11,000, and next so interest will be 1,100. So it is 12,100 the principal amount. So at the end of second year you have to pay 12,100. The same example it is given here. Okay, cash flow concept, it is cash flow diagram. So cash flow diagram, it is the same thing. Below the line, downward arrow indicates that is investment or deposit, or it is given amount to the someone, it is a loan, or it is a given amount, it is downward arrow. And above the line, upward arrow, it indicates it is a return benefit, or it interest earned, or it is return on investment, or withdrawal amount from the investment. That is above the line, it is upward movement of upward direction of arrow. It is same thing. Okay, you read it, you can read the next theory part. Okay, next we discuss in the next topic, that is types of compound interest.